nonsense! You understand? I'm tired of your nonsense! If I show someone I don't, I would never.
Jesus!
You understand me?
Explain to me what is the meaning of all this?
So because I have a little issue, you insult my manhood by going to your parents to say what?
Manamam Nachukwa Biama is not sleeping. He will expose whoever is behind all these things happening in the family.
How can you tell me nothing when you're held up in the house and your business has crumbled? I can't continue to stay here, hopeless and helpless.
Mr. Ruben? What's wrong with you?
Mr. Ruben, are you okay?
I'm scared. I'm scared of going out because I fear a repetition of the same incident happening again.
Why did you have to run about mere imagination? You should have stood your ground, rebuked that idiot.
But you have to put an end to this madness. What is going on? You refuse to speak to me. You refuse to speak to the kids. You refuse to also take your calls.
Use this to fight back. Let the evil one be exposed so that the whole world would see him. I am waiting.
So you better start talking now or else I will invite the Omuna.
Who cares if you invite Igwe? Who cares if you report me to ancestors? I do not give a hoot.
He wants to kill my daughter, 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 he wants to kill my daughter. Hey! Stop!